this isn't fair. You're wearing my skirt so I can wear your shirt. Leave me alone, get off the phone, turn off the light, oh, you're picking a fight. But it wasn't so bad, we weren't always mad. We had some good times, like making up rhymes. The song about armpit hair, well that's enough, the rest I won't share. Our long trips, Cancun, Canada, Colorado, and more. Having you along was never a bore. Making new friends, having some fun, tronando puentes and having to run. Remember Mexico when we went to school, or the first time we filled up our swimming pool? I remember it like it was yesterday. We waited and watched it fill, so happy and just stood still. And every day we would jump and have a blast. Little did we know our stay in Mexico would not last. We grew older, had our laughs. There were days we wished time would never pass. There's not a moment that I would regret. I'm still your best friend, don't you forget. I'm sad to see you part, but remember you will always be in my heart. Have lots of fun with Andy. I know he's charming and somewhat dandy. Thanks.